The reason we got into having a home battery was it was something we'd been thinking about and reading about for many years, and I'd been waiting for the right opportunity. We were putting an awful lot back into the grid that we just weren't using, and having to buy power at night. The return for putting it into the grid was not even close to the cost of using it at night time. I finally decided that I would just go with the best technology I could find, and I did consult with some friends who have expertise in the area, and in the end settled on a modular style of battery. It gave me the flexibility to expand the battery capacity over time. It helped spread out the cost of buying the batteries. Having a battery completely changes your electricity consumption profile. In the summer months, which I count as being 9 months of the year, we just don't use the grid. 97% of the electricity we consume is generated by our system here, and that's because we don't need to use the grid because we have a battery. Oh, I love it. I love the fact that we've got a battery.